here's the deal. You are, in fact, one webinar away. However, it has to be done in a certain way. What do you suppose I mean by you're one webinar away? Well, here's the deal. I have seen that the right webinar can take you from a complete nobody, an absolute obscurity, with no reputation, no resources, no connections, no audience, nothing, no product. And I have seen a single webinar put somebody in a six-figure category within a 30-day period of time. I've seen it, I've done it, and I've helped many other people do it. And why do you think that is? Just a quick question to you. Why do you think that's possible? Because there is no other business model I know of, and I've taught and I've learned and I've executed on some of the greatest online models in the last 12 years. Why do you think a webinar done correctly can catapult you with nothing else but a good presentation from nothing to that high income earning bracket? What about a webinar allows that to happen? Well, here's the deal. Have you ever been given a piece of information that has completely changed your life? Have you ever heard of something that as soon as you heard it, your life was never the same again? That you can point back to a certain period in your life and says, before I knew this, I was this way, and after I knew this, I was this way. The right message delivered the right way can move mountains. It can change people overnight, instantaneously. And these days, you can do it from the comfort of your home. You can do this without spending years of building up and trying to get distribution and working hard like the old models are going to do. There's not a lot of setup to get this done. You are literally one webinar away, one single webinar away from the type of wealth that allows you to eliminate "I can't afford it" from your vocabulary. All right, so here's the deal. Before we move any further, if I can make you $10,000 in 30 days, if you were absolutely certain 100%, you knew for a fact that I had something that I could give you that can make you $10,000 in the next 30 days, would you be willing to pay me today $4,995? Excellent question, isn't it? If I have something that I believe you could take it, run with it today, and make $10,000 in the next 30 days, as long as you were 100% certain that that was the case, I'm going to assume, but you tell me, would you pay me $4,995 today if it meant you would make $10,000 in the next 30 days? Go ahead and type in yes into the chat box if you would. Now, some people wouldn't, and I don't understand why. Maybe they say, well, I don't have $4,995 laying around, Jason. I said, well, you could probably get it. The only reason you wouldn't is if you weren't certain. But if you were certain, let's just assume you're certain, I am seeing nothing but me's and yeses here. Because it's not a cost then, is it? It is, what do we call this? It's a return on investment. And I think webinars are the thing that can do that more efficiently than anything else. A lot of businesses I've taught in the past, you couldn't even get the business up and running and operating within 30 days, much less seeing that profit.